Fellow Kenyans, our country Kenya is in big trouble.
To support Raila Odinga and ODM in Kenya, you need to learn how you can be able to start an online business in Kenya with an objective of creating a job for yourself or a business that can be able to generate you extra income every month in Kenya. And towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you 5 online business ideas in Kenya that you can be able to start and turn them into income generating online assets or businesses in Kenya. The idea behind starting an online business is that you can be able to monetize your knowledge, your skills, expertise, hobbies, passions, or even your own life experiences by leveraging the power of the internet connectivity to reach a global audience or a global market. This is something that you can do if you are jobless, if you are broke today, or if you are looking for a way to supplement your existing income streams. You can be able to start an online business in Kenya and turn it into an income generating online asset for you. But to be able to do this, you need to take time to actually understand how an online business works and how you can be able to tap into the many online business opportunities that exist across the world. This gives you an opportunity to improve your life or to improve your finances by giving you an opportunity to actually achieve financial location and time freedom. What this means is that even if you support Raila Odinga or if you are an ardent supporter of ODM, you should be able to take time to also actually improve yourself or invest in yourself by building something that can benefit you directly. Politics is good, and if you're like me, you also enjoy it. Because I enjoy politics, I get involved in it. I like sparring, especially even when it comes to having conversations about politics in Kenya. However, you also need to realize that politics will not feed your family. You need to be able to look at an opportunity that you can use to improve your personal finances. And one of that opportunity is starting an online business in Kenya, because this can help you increase your income, it can help you improve your situation right now. Politics is good, and if you are like me, you enjoy it, which is probably why you support Baba. However, starting an online business in Kenya might be one of the smarter ways to invest your time, because you'll be creating something that you own and something that can help you generate extra income. It can help you improve your finances. It can help you increase the amount of money you're generating every month. And over time, you can be able to build your online business in Kenya into something that helps you to achieve financial, time, and location freedom. The online business ideas that I'm going to share with you here are ideas that you can start without much capital, without much experience, as long as you are willing to take time to actually learn and understand how they work. These are ideas that you can be able to build and turn them into income generating online businesses. These ideas represent some of the most profitable online business ideas that you can start today in Kenya. These online business ideas in Kenya provide you with an opportunity to be able to monetize your knowledge, your skills, expertise, hobbies, passion, as well as life experiences. And you are going to do this by getting involved in the creator economy in Kenya and leveraging the power of the internet connectivity, your phone or laptop, to build an income generating asset. Business in Kenya is not complicated when you know what you are doing, but at the same time, it's not easy. So this is not a solution for you to think that you're going to start and then start making money tomorrow. It will take time, it will take a lot of hard work, consistency, persistence. And if you do this well, and if you take your time, you're actually going to build something that you'll be very proud of. I want you to have a long-term mindset when it comes to starting an online business in Kenya, because every good thing takes time to actually grow and develop. Think of even starting an audience-based online business. It will take time before you build the audience, and that will require you to be patient as you build your business. That is even before you have created a mechanism to build the relationship with your market, as well as finding monetization strategies that work for your online business. Let me now share with you 5 online business ideas that you can start and build in Kenya. The first online business idea is starting a blog. Blogging is one of the most versatile and accessible online business ideas that you can start today. And this is because all is required with this is having the writing skills and being able to share your ideas. And the reason why writing is important is because it is a foundational skill when it comes to building any sort of online business. All you need to do is look at the topics or things that you're interested in, that you're passionate about, and build a blog around them. Your blog could be about anything. It could be about cooking, traveling, personal finance, health, education, farming, or any other thing that you actually might be interested in, including sports. To get started with your blog or to start your blog, I think there are 3 things you need to broadly think about. That is how you're going to build an audience, how you're going to build trust with that audience, and how you're going to monetize your blog. And a few steps that you need to consider when starting a blog include you need to pick a niche or the topic that you're going to focus on. Then of course you need to get a domain and basic web hosting. And once you have your domain and basic hosting, then you can be able to install a content management system, and in this case, WordPress. After that, then you will focus on creating quality content on the topic that you have picked. And over time, you will be able to generate traffic, especially if you can be able to incorporate, let's say, SEO skills and other skills to ensure that you attract traffic, and then monetize your blog. There are very many ways on how you can be able to make money or to monetize your blog, and those include display advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, selling your own digital products, membership, among very many other things. To succeed with your blog, you will need to have patience, be consistent, and also create quality content. And you may be able to actually incorporate other multimedia assets to also improve your blog and turn it into a successful online business. The second online business idea is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another good online business idea that you can start and that does not require a lot of capital to start. Affiliate marketing, in very simple terms, is a concept where you are going to be promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale or every lead that is generated through your action. And the beauty of this is that you do not require any inventory to start with an affiliate marketing or with an affiliate marketing related online business. All you need is to be able to know the topic that you want to deal in or the products or services that you want to deal in, and then signing up for the affiliate programs of various companies that provide those products or services. Once you sign up and are accepted to those various affiliate programs, then it will be your responsibility to promote the products or the services that are in those programs. Of course, you'll get a special link that will be able to track the success of your sales or the success of the leads that you have generated. And depending on how the commission days are on the programs that you have joined, you're going to get paid a commission depending on the sales that you have closed or the leads that you have generated based on your affiliate links. Fundamentally, for you to actually succeed with affiliate marketing, you will be required to create content. And this goes back to you being able to create either a blog or social media content or even YouTube videos where you can be able to put your affiliate links so that the traffic that you generate can actually have access to the product or services that you are promoting. For example, if you love fitness or are in that fitness journey, you can be able to share either fitness gear or fitness health supplements with your audience or with the people that you're promoting those products or services to. And once they buy, you get a commission, and that's how affiliate marketing works. But as you can see, you actually do not need to stock those products or be the one actually fulfilling the services. All you're doing is becoming more or less like a middleman, promoting the products that are created and manufactured by other people and getting a cut of the sale or the leads that you generate. That online business idea is selling your own digital products. Digital products market is one of the fastest growing markets when it comes to an online business. And this is because it is easy to start and it is easily scalable. Because what you're doing here is basically packaging either your knowledge, skills, and expertise into a downloadable digital product. And when I talk about a digital product, I'm talking about something that can be accessed electronically. It can be downloaded, or if it is, let's say, a video, it can be watched online through whatever platform that you may choose to use. So there is no exchange of any physical product here. You are basically creating digital assets. And the beauty of it is that those digital assets are easily scalable. You can be able to sell very many copies to very many people without additional work on your end. There are several options that you can actually take when it comes to creating digital products. You can do templates, you can do online courses, ebooks, printables, and there are very many other options that you can tap into depending on the niche that you are in, your expertise, and the format that you want to do. Audit yourself, understand what it is that you have, the knowledge that you have, the skills that you have, expertise, talent, and figure out how you can be able to package that knowledge into a digital asset. Do you create an online course? Do you create an ebook? Do you create a template? Do you create a printable? Whatever it is that can work for you and your target audience, go ahead and create it. And as I mentioned, digital products are scalable, which basically means that you can be able to sell them to an unlimited number of people without additional cost or additional effort on your part. This makes them one of the best ways for you to generate an income with your online business. Fourth online business idea is starting a YouTube channel. YouTube is a very powerful platform. It is actually a platform that can help you do video content marketing. And this is a way in which you can also be able to build an online business, because if you have a skill, knowledge, expertise, you can be able to leverage the power of the internet and YouTube or video marketing to actually share or build an audience and build an online business. YouTube is a fantastic platform where you can be able to share your knowledge, expertise, skills, passion, hobbies, and life experiences and turn it into an income generating online business. And the beauty about having a YouTube channel is the fact that you do not require a lot to actually start and build it. First, it is free to actually set up a YouTube channel. And all you need to be able to make it work is probably have a smartphone, or if you have a camera, use it, and have internet connection. The only other thing that you might require is having some good lighting. And even if you do not have money to buy, let's say, ring lights or box lights, you can actually use natural light outside in the open. So as you can see, this is an online business that is inexpensive to start, but the potential for it is very high. Now, it is not easy to create content, and it might not be very quick for you to get a return. However, each video you create adds up to your inventory, and over time that is going to build up. And once it gets momentum and hits a certain critical mass, your income growth will equally be exponential. So consider starting a YouTube channel as a foundation for your online business, and stick with it, be consistent, and have a long-term view in terms of how long it might take to actually start generating an income for you, especially if you are going to focus on just generating money from the YouTube Partner Program or AdSense. However, there are quite a number of other ways on how you can be able to monetize your YouTube channel and make money even before you have hit the threshold that is required to join the YPP program. You can use your YouTube channel to actually sell your own digital products, to do affiliate marketing. You can get brand sponsorship and brand deals, or you might even have other merchandise that you can sell using your YouTube channel. So as you can see, there are quite a number of other options or other monetization strategies that you can use to build your YouTube channel into an income generating online business. The fifth online business is freelancing. And freelancing is a very interesting and very good online business model. This is because it provides you with an opportunity to offer your skills or expertise as a service to customers across the world. Whether you are a writer, a graphic designer, video editor, programmer, whether you are a marketer, an accountant, social media manager, or you are a virtual assistant, among very many other skills and expertise, you can be able to do freelancing. And this is something that you can be able to do from the comfort of your house, from whatever town or village that you live in. Freelancing gives you flexibility, and it provides you also with opportunities to make money as you work on projects that you actually like and enjoy. And one of the ways in which you can actually add a premium or probably generate more income with your freelancing activities is probably figuring out a way on how you can productize your services or skills, so that you are not only offering them as a one-off kind of a thing, but you turn it into a product. There are quite a number of freelancing platforms that are available for you in the market today. Some of them include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, among others. But you can also up your game by actually creating your own website. You can actually target a different market, differentiate yourself, probably just be a person who provides services to businesses. And that might mean you creating your own online business to basically do that. And that's where the idea that I talked to you about, creating a product or productizing your services or skills, becomes a viable idea. And I want you to spend more time learning about how this can work. But freelancing is an online business idea that actually can work for you. Now, the journey towards starting a profitable online business is exciting and has a lot of opportunities. Whether you choose to start a blog, get into affiliate marketing, sell your own digital products, start your own YouTube channel, or get into freelancing, there are actually opportunities for you to build an income generating online business. If you have enjoyed this particular video, watch the videos on your screen right now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and I'll see you in the next one.